Okay, so in this video we will cover PageFactory, and this video will be very short, simple and straightforward. So the code that we will use here is the same code that was in the previous video where I explained page object model. So here we will implement PageFactory by converting this code into PageFactory pattern. So PageFactory is simply a class provided by Selenium WebDriver, and its purpose is to further optimize page object model pattern so that your code is more simpler and readable and easy to write. So first of all, what we're going to do is use the find by annotation, and here we will say ID, and then just simply copy this locator, right? And simply the next thing to do is to just uh, declare this web element and the name of this web element. So I'll use username over here, right? And now I can just simply remove this. So this is my web element username, and the next thing to do is, instead of using driver.findElement username, I will simply use just the web element name, that is username. So here now it's more simpler. Now we don't need to write the whole driver.findElement and this locator. We can simply just use this web element and perform actions on it. So similarly, let's do the same for password and the login button. So this is it. That's all that we need to do to locate and declare web elements in PageFactory. And the next thing to do is to initialize all the web elements that are declared by PageFactory. So for that, we will simply write PageFactory. Yes, that's the PageFactory class, and dot the method init elements to initialize, and the parameters that we'll give is driver and this. So that's literally all with PageFactory that you need to do, and you can see that the code is now more simpler and readable. So now if we run our login test, it should run without any errors. So yeah, the login test ran fine without any issues, and yeah, that's literally it with the video and with PageFactory. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.